All right, so now before doing, what we can do is hands. I do a real basic one, is just take a ball, small pea-sized piece of gray, put your finger over half of the ball and roll back and forth and make like a little teardrop kind of shape, and then flatten it a little. This is where we'll need a little bit of water in here. Place this in here, kind of curve it, and then I just take this and make two little marks. I mean, we could get a lot more detailed if we wanted to on the fingers, but I think this is cute. That should work. Roll out some white. I'll use my large square cutter here. Looks like I might have some black fondant on it. Cut. Pick it up. Place it. I'm actually going to stretch it out a little bit. If I had a little bit larger cutter, it would be good, but this is the one I'm using this set for the buckles, so may as well use this one. I could roll it with the rolling pin out a little bit more too if I wanted to. Place it over the spaghetti, like so. Okay, I think he's ready for his head. Okay, so we put the white away. You can make a little line here in the front, like so. Okay, don't need that for the head, do I? All right, back to the gray. Want to do the same shape that we've been doing the teardrop. Okay, now instead of like this or like this, it's going to go this way, right over the spaghetti. Okay, so I need to pick him up. Okay, I'm going to move his head back a little bit more. There we go. I like that better. Okay, scissors. These small scissors are great for this. You take this at the side, cut, and open that up for his mouth. Now we need to make a little spot where the ears are going to go. Over here at the side, push in and rotate that around. Push in with the toothpick over here, rotate this around. Now again, we need two small pea-sized pieces of fondant, gray. Put your finger over half, then take this tool, the rounded end, and push in and rock back and forth. Then you take the pointy part, pinch it, pick it up, a little bit of water in here and in here. Push this in, use the back of this to attach it. Okay, next one. Alrighty. Okay, with the hat, what I do, it's kind of more of a square hat, so roll it back and forth. If I kind of put it down here, use my fondant paddle, roll it like my paddle, see how if I roll it at an angle, a little bit more like this, and then push down, pick it up, push down like that, make it a little bit more square. Push it in if it gets too long. And then at the base, what I want to do is I just want to pinch around the bottom. We're going to place one more piece of spaghetti through here. Ow! Okay, use the toothpick, since your fingers kind of get in the way, use the toothpick, kind of prop this part up a little bit.